Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are present, VS Code installed, relevant extensions added, and a project folder open. Create or open the file where the link will live, HTML for web links or Markdown for docs. Once done, position the cursor where the link should appear and use the appropriate syntax, a href equals. For HTML or text, URL for Markdown. Make sure to save the file so the editor recognizes language features and link previews become available. Next, write the link with the correct attributes and semantics. For HTML, include href, target equals blank if opening a new tab, and rel equals nupener for security. For Markdown, include the full URL or relative path. Once the link text and URL are set, preview it. Use Markdown Preview or Run Live Server to load the page. This verifies link behavior and resolves relative paths. If it doesn't work, check spelling and file location. Make sure to commit or save changes frequently to avoid losing edits. To finish, thoroughly test the link. Click in the Markdown preview and in a real browser tab and verify it reaches the expected resource. Once done, confirm accessibility attributes like title or area label when appropriate. If the link fails, inspect the Developer Console and Network tab for 404, permission or content security policy blocks, and incorrect relative paths. Make sure file names match case sensitivity on the server. Fixing path typos or adjusting base href usually resolves most issues quickly. Then save and retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.